Hello, Marx here. Today we will have a look on dynamic remarketing on Facebook, how to set up dynamic remarketing on Facebook. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook fan page to get notified about the latest videos. Let's start. At first you have to go to your ads manager, click on create new campaign. Here you have to choose the catalog sales. You have to have the catalog and pixel set up correctly. Click on catalog sales. Now choose your campaign name like de remarketing or something like that, the dynamic remarketing or REM or something like that. Click on catalog, choose your catalog you want to use. You can use campaign budget optimization to optimize to let Facebook optimize your budget, but I don't use it for dynamic remarketing, so I can optimize budget myself. Click on continue. Now you are on the ad set. In the ad set, choose ad set name, like this is Austria, view content 1 day. Click on retargeting, and now I prefer to choose custom combination and to choose the dates, the setup myself. So if you want to set up dynamic remarketing view content 1 day, click here, give here set up here the view, so product view last 1 day, but not purchase or add to cart. Then you can duplicate the ad set and make another one with add to cart remarketing. Then you have to go down, scroll down, optimization for conversion events. Purchase is the best optimization if you have enough data. If not, maybe add to cart can help you. If the campaign suffers under delivery, you can try to optimize on add to cart, initiate checkout, or to view content. Choose your daily budget and then the conversion window. If you have enough data, you can use conversion window, for example 1 day click. If you don't have enough data, you can use the bigger conversion window, like 7 days click, 1 day view, and then click continue. Then you are in the ad. Choose the name of the ad, like view content. Choose the right Facebook page and then the Instagram page. If you don't have Instagram business page connected to your Facebook fan page, don't be scared, you can use the selected Facebook fan page. Me personally, I don't use these dynamic formats and creative to make I just don't use it to make my ads more myself. I choose carousel. If you don't use carousel, you can choose single image or collection. What do you want? Then you have to set up or you can set up creative. You can give here some price or something with creative. Then you have to choose the name. I prefer to use product name. This is the headline, and here is the subscription or description. And I prefer to use here price or some stars, like it is a good product. Then the primary text. For remarketing, I recommend to use some psychology, like we miss you, or something like we are thinking of you, we think of you, or something like that, to get the message more personal. Then of course choose the web. and after that you can build a URL parameter, for example source, Facebook, Medium, CPC, to see it in your Google Analytics too. Then you have to choose call to action. For eShops I recommend Shop Now, and then the right Facebook pixel. And this is all you need to set up dynamic remarketing. There are some strategies too. You can see, for example, this is my two favorite strategies for dynamic remarketing. If you have enough data, you can diversify the dynamic remarketing, like to 4 or more ad sets. We have here view content 1 day, view content 3 days with exclusion of 1 day, so view content 1 to 3 days, add to cart 3 days, 3 to 7 days, etc. You can use longer too. Why is it good? You can you see more numbers and you can optimize it yourself. And of course you can optimize the text, for example, in your ads. Like view content can be we are missing you, and add to cart can be you have forgetting something in your basket. And the second strategy I recommend to use is dynamic remarketing with everything in one ad set. If you don't have enough data, if you have just started your new eShop and you don't have enough data, you can use the dynamic remarketing together view content and add to cart, but don't forget to give there some universal text in your ad, like we are missing you, or thank you for visiting our eShop, we are glad to see you again, or something like that. Okay, that's all. I hope you know now how to set up dynamic remarketing. I'm looking forward to see your likes, comments, and shares. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as follow my Facebook fan page to get new infos and new videos.